Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank is the right fit for your financial needs? We've all heard the buzz, but is it backed by real-world experiences? Today, we're diving deep into the Redditverse to find out what people are really saying about Tangerine Bank. Are they raving fans, or are they regretting their decision? Let's find out. Before we jump into the Reddit discussions, let's quickly recap what Tangerine Bank is. It's a Canadian online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and no-fee checking accounts. But is that enough to make it a great choice? Let's start with the positive reviews. Redditors love Tangerine's user-friendly online platform and mobile app. They appreciate the simplicity and ease of use, especially for those who prefer digital banking. Many users also praise Tangerine's high-interest savings accounts. They've seen their money grow significantly faster compared to traditional banks. Another recurring theme is Tangerine's excellent customer service. Redditors report having positive experiences with the bank's customer support team, both online and over the phone. Finally, some users appreciate Tangerine's commitment to ethical banking practices. They feel good about supporting a bank that doesn't engage in certain controversial activities. While the positive reviews are encouraging, there are also some negative experiences shared on Reddit. Some users have complained about technical difficulties with Tangerine's online platform or mobile app. These issues can be frustrating, especially when it comes to managing your finances. A few Redditors have also expressed concerns about Tangerine's limited branch network. While this might not be a problem for those who prefer online banking, it can be inconvenient for those who need in-person assistance. Additionally, there are a handful of complaints about long wait times when contacting Tangerine's customer support. This can be frustrating, especially when you need urgent assistance. Now for the most serious criticisms. While these are rare, they're worth mentioning. Some Redditors have reported issues with unauthorized transactions or identity theft. These are serious concerns, and it's important to be aware of the potential risks. There have also been a few complaints about Tangerine's policies regarding account closures or fees. These can be frustrating for customers who feel they've been treated unfairly. So, is Tangerine Bank good? Based on the Reddit discussions, the answer is a bit nuanced. On the one hand, many users have had positive experiences with Tangerine. They appreciate its user-friendly platform, high-interest savings accounts, and excellent customer service. On the other hand, there are also some negative experiences to consider, such as technical difficulties, limited branch network, and potential security risks. Ultimately, whether Tangerine Bank is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're comfortable with online banking and don't need in-person assistance, Tangerine could be a great option. However, if you're concerned about security or need more traditional banking features, you might want to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.